Good afternoon. My name is Francis Moti, part of the marketing team at Broadways Group of Companies. Broadways Group of Companies incorporates Broadways Bakery Limited and Bakex Millers Limited. Broadways Bakery Limited started in 1958, based in Thika Factory Road at the moment. Yeah. Broadway's products have been there in the market for quite a long time. Of course, we start with the classic white bread, which dates all the way back, and we do have a range of brown breads. Then along the way, we also developed other products. For example, I can mention Foursquare, which pulls the nostalgia from high schools. I'm sure the millennials and older know about what we used to call quarter. A segment of the market wanted sweeter bread, and we have that as our white premium bread. Generally, when speaking about Broadway's bread, one thing to note is that Broadway's bread is less sugar and it's the same great taste. We're celebrating our 10 years of Be Sugar Smart, and what this is, there was a need in the society. There's a need in the society for people to be health conscious, and I think Kenyans are health conscious. We are celebrating our 10th year of spreading the message and awareness of the dangers of consuming too much sugar. Every loaf of Broadway's bread is less in sugar as compared to other brands. You'll notice that straight up. And we care about people's health and the environment out there. And that's the reason every loaf of Broadway's bread is less sugar, but we've kept the same taste all through, never changed our recipe.